Ever wonder how your personality plays a role in your everyday life? Psychologists use 5 key factors to describe personality: openness, conscientiousness, extraversion, agreeableness, and neuroticism. If you're high in openness, you're probably adventurous and love trying new things. On the flip side, you might be more traditional, which means you value stability. In short, you like the usual more often than not. Are you super organized and goal-oriented? Then you're probably high in conscientiousness. But watch out for perfectionism and getting bogged down in details. Or perhaps you experience the opposite and lose track of important tasks. Thankfully, there are ways of improving discipline. Are you outgoing and love being around people? That's extraversion. However, you might sometimes find it hard to be alone. On the other hand, you might recharge by spending time alone. That's great too. How about agreeableness? You might be cooperative and a team player, but be careful. People might take advantage of your kindness. Conversely, you might be more assertive, but watch out for coming across as insensitive. And finally, neuroticism. If you score high neuroticism, you might be more sensitive to negative emotions. This could make you more in tune with your feelings, but also vulnerable to anxiety. Low in neuroticism? That means you don't sweat the small stuff. However, by being easygoing, you might take longer to learn from your mistakes. So we can see that each trait has its strengths and weaknesses. Understanding your own personality and the personalities of others can help you navigate relationships, succeed in school and work, and ultimately lead a happier life. So, do you know you? Go and take the Big 5 personality test in the quiz section on the Tools for Teens platform to learn more.